Hey everyone, this is Gina with Seller.Tools. This video series I'm going to take you through creating a product directly from Seller Central, a brand new product that I've created. We're going to take you through creating the listing, getting all the keywords, how to put them in your listing in Seller Central, and of course getting all the keywords we need and using our listing manager in Seller Tools to create that listing, or of course, if you have a listing already, making sure that your current listing is optimized using all the tools in Seller.Tools. So what I've chosen is a random product, a shadow box. I just happened to buy one on Amazon the other day, so I made a private label version of it. It's a 6x6 shadow box, which is a kind of a deep picture frame, I guess you could call it. The only thing that I've done is, of course, pick a category, which was very simple: home category, picture frame, shadow box. It was right there. And create a very basic title. All I put in was 6x6 shadow box. I have a fake brand called Memories. And so it says Memories 6x6 shadow box. So that's the only thing that's currently in this listing right now. If I go ahead and go to edit, you can see that there are I did put one fake image in there just so I could get it in there, but there's no description, no keywords, nothing else in this listing. So when I go to my Seller Tools account, I have it starred here. This is the listing right here. Of course, there's zero BSR. This is a fake brand new product that I've put into Seller Central. I have no keywords in there. I put the price very high just so that it wouldn't sell while I was doing these videos, since I don't actually have this product. And so that's where we're going to start. So this is a video series for a brand new product that you are going to create a listing, finding all the optimal keywords from competitors in different ways through all the tools in Seller.Tools. However, you can alter it and use your current listing and make sure that it's optimized as well. So I will be kind of telling you, if you have your listing already, I'll be kind of altering what I'm saying so that you'll know what to do as well. So this will take you through step by step all of the tools using an actual product and showing the difference between an optimized listing and a non-optimized listing. So in the next video, we're going to start by adding keywords into our Seller Tools Keyword Manager using our 6x6 shadow box listing, and then we'll move forward from there.